Human brain. Let's learn about human brain, its structure and functions. The brain controls everything we do and how our body functions. It sends electrical messages along the spinal cord and the nerve fibers to all parts of our body. The nerve fibers also bring electrical messages back to the brain. The human brain present on top of our body and controls all body movements by the humans and animals. Around the brain, we have a collection of bones called the skull and membranes called meninges. The meninges support and protect the brain. A clear fluid called cerebrospinal fluid runs between the meninges. The cerebrospinal fluid is made by tissues that line the brain ventricles. The CSF flows in and around the brain and the spinal cord. It protects them from injuries and provides nutrients. Does our brain remind of you anything that can be eaten? Any nut? Yes, it's look like a walnut. And did you know a walnut is a brain boosting nut which when eaten regularly helps to increase the memory power of the brain. Our brain has these wrinkles in its exterior surface and this wrinkly part is called as cerebrum, which makes up the major portion of the brain. But not every individual has an equal amount of wrinkles. These wrinkles indirectly determines the intelligence of an individual. The wrinkles are formed to increase the surface area of the brain tissue. The more the surface area, the more the number of neurons in the tissue. More the neurons, more intelligent an individual is. So, cerebrum is associated with the intelligence of an individual. What the brain controls. The different areas of the brain control the different parts of our body. The largest part of our brain is the cerebrum or forebrain. The cerebrum is divided into two hemispheres, the left hemisphere and the right hemisphere. The left hemisphere controls the right part of our body, whereas the right hemisphere controls the left part. The four lobes. Each hemisphere is divided into four lobes. The frontal lobe controls our speech, problem solving, movement, personality, and sensations. The temporal lobe is where we process sound and where our memories are stored. The parietal lobe is where touch, temperature, and pain is processed. It is where we recognize objects and process information when people speaks to us. The occipital lobe processes what we see. The back of the brain is the cerebellum or hindbrain. The cerebellum controls our balance, posture, and coordination. The lower part of the brain is called the brain stem. It controls functions that we don't usually think about, such as breathing, sneezing, coughing, swallowing, and our heartbeat. In the middle of the brain are the pituitary gland and the pineal gland. The pituitary gland makes hormones that control lots of body functions such as our growth and the production of sperm and eggs. The pineal gland makes the hormone melatonin which controls our sleep. It's all about the human brain. Thank you.